We got a guy, man. You're going to be live on air.
Mate, I won't be on Bill.
Okay, we're not going there.
First, a quick word from our sponsor.
Meet Car Vertical. Get access to one of the largest database networks for vehicle records. Whether buying a vehicle locally or overseas, we can help you avoid a turd. Avoid any surprises. CarVertical.com, as used by Donkey London.
Good afternoon, you lovelies. So we got Epsom, is it? Yeah, Epsom Grandstand or Epsom Racecourse, where they do lots of horse racing. We've got the old Epsom Derby as well. Been there a few times, passed out a few times. So yeah, hope you guys are all doing well today. Massive shout out to all you lovelies who've been grabbing the tickets on the Caddy van. What a beast! I think everyone can pretty much say, or we've all established, that this is a monster. Like I said in the last episode, I was going to be doubling 10 of your tickets. Yeah, 10 of you guys have done purchases. I was going to be doubling your tickets. So I'm going to quickly flick back to my place. Yes, you lovelies, back in the monkey pads here. Like I said, we're going to go through the 10 winners very quickly. We're in the comments for the previous video. And then, yes, I'm going to pick people at random. First person, Josh Austin, you got your tickets doubled, you got 20 extra tickets. Christopher Beaver, you've had your tickets doubled, you've got another 7. Let's Play Minecraft, Jake Williams, you've got an extra 8 tickets. 420 MTB, Justin Granger, Elliot 335, Alfie Hudson, you just got another 18 tickets. Ben Virgo, you just got another 20 tickets. Steve 555106. Right, well done to you lovelies. If I've read your name out, just ping us an email via the website. And yeah, happy days, I'll add them on. Congratulations to all you guys who got your tickets doubled. So yeah, you got double the chances. And to say a massive thank you, in this video I'm going to be tripling 5 of your tickets. So yeah, same story as before. From this video forwards, anyone who buys tickets, chuck a comment in the comment section, tell me how many tickets you've got. I'll pick 5 of you and I'll triple your tickets. But yeah, it only counts if you've bought the tickets after you've watched this video. So yeah, a little thank you to you guys. Like I mentioned in the previous vlog, we're going to be doing a few little sort of caddy, sort of daily monkey videos until the JZX is back. I just got the call that I can pick it up tomorrow, so I'm going to take the van and trailer and yeah, and go and grab it, and then we can kind of start doing a bit more filming on the old 81. Build movie should be out in about 10 more days, so I'll be doing a couple more sort of vlogs like this, and see if we can get out in some different cars as well, and then yeah, we'll release the build movie, and then we can start with all the JZX madness. Let us know in the comment section as well if you want to see like POVs in the JZX, because I think that would be pretty sick. Oh, GT3, oh lovely. I think that was a 991 Gen 1, I think. I've been packing all your orders this morning. We had quite a lot of merch orders go out in the last couple of days. Yeah, thanks for getting involved with the old merch. And if you're familiar with the channel, you'll know that my merch is banging. A lot of YouTubers like sell merch. Some of the designs are cool, but for the most part the quality is shite, whereas my stuff is proper pucker. So make sure you check it out. It really is top quality goodness. Nice Mercedes SL. I do like those SLs. They're actually quite good value for money now, comparatively, compared to what they cost new. I actually used to have an SL 55 AMG supercharged one, which was yeah, a super nice car. Oh yes, Golf Gang, brother. Yes, got a little wavy. Sick, man, VW crew. Yes, boys. What? What's wrong? You were looking at me a bit weird. What's up, G? You alright? Brother? Yeah, I can't see where I'm going. Right, let's have a quick haircut. Head cam activated. Caddy looking sick. Remember as well, if you want to open these, one click opens the driver's door, and then one click, and then another click for the passenger. Ugh. One thing I will say around here is the state of these roads are literally terrible. Sometimes we do wonder why we even pay road tax. Well, effectively now it's not road tax, is it? It's environmental tax, or whatever they want to call it. But either way, some of these roads are absolutely gash. I'm about to take you down Britain's worst road. Literally, look at the state of this road, man. Don't even know how the residents put up with it. If I was them, I'd kind of all sort of save up and chip in. But look at the state of this. Look, you've literally got to do like 5 miles an hour in any vehicle. State of this tarmac. You literally need like an off-road vehicle when you come down here. Probably just get a little bit of 99 from the old BP. Just remember the old things on the left-hand side. Is that what their shit is? 97. That's weak. We need something better than that. I think we can. I didn't realise BP Ultimate was only 97. Wouldn't mind some. I think this has been mapped on sort of 98, 99, so we might need some slightly better fuel.
Later that day.
Yeah, getting mad. I know you can't stop thinking of her. By all means, you can vibe with this girl, but just not stop yourself. That's all. Don't go to yourself. And I'm like, honestly, it's not like that. Yeah, you know, I'm fancy like a snap. Jumping when she crashes and
Come on, baby. Nah, play with me, man. Yeah, we got a Lotus. I might need traction control here. I'm gonna cheat. Race you for pinks.
I had one of those, 230 horsepower. I know how fast.
You got rear wheel drive traction off the light, so we gotta go, man. You're gonna be live on air.
Mate, I work for the old Bill.
Okay, we're not going then. Sure thing. Someone's left sure thing hanging around. What's that boat doing, man?
Later that night.
Let me know if we got any Top Gun fans in the house. Baby, baby. Little late night send. Tomorrow I'm going to connect up all the mics like I promised you guys. Just going to do a couple of little sends on the way home. Let's get the old van moving. Obviously tonight, very warm temperatures at the moment in the UK. We got 25.5, 26 degrees even tonight, so we've got very warm intake temps, which on a turbo car does sacrifice a bit of power. Yeah, obviously as the night gets on, it gets a little bit cooler. The van should get a little bit faster. Honestly, whoever wins this thing, they're going to be absolutely ecstatic. I'm going to be quite sad to see it go. Yes, baby. Let's get my favourite Chinese. Hose kitchen, baby. Yes, Kelvin. What are you saying, bro? You're live on the ML channel, brother. Literally best Chinese chef going. Make sure you do a cheeky little order, you numpties. Definitely got a bit of brake dust going on the front. I think we can probably write our name on that. Yeah, we can. Probably turn this copyright music down. So as you guys can tell, just grabbing a quick cheeky Chinese. Hose kitchen, just outside Dorking. chap called Kelvin, and yeah, the food is literally next level. He's like a top London chef. He's started up his own mobile business. All the ingredients are fresh, no MSG, and yeah, highly recommended. Always good with these kind of businesses as well. It's nice to support local, you know, rather than going to like the sort of big food chains. And there are a lot of hidden gems out there like Kelvin. Look at that, man, door-to-door service. Kelvin, you're a star. I was telling the guys that watch my channel, your Chinese
Thank you very much.
it is next level. Come on, it's really good, man.
Right, thanks a lot.
You're a star, brother. Thank you. Look at that, man.
Oh, would you look at that?
Put that
Just look at that.
1 day later.
All right, we are back in the van. Like I said, I'm going to bring you guys a little bit of a mic experience. And if you guys kind of like this new sort of GoPro and like POV, maybe I'll start incorporating it a little bit into the car reviews as well. So yeah, we've got a few open roads in a little bit. We can't go too mad today because it is daytime, but yeah, we'll go for a few little runs, get a bit of John action on the go, and yeah, let me know what you think.
and you bring me love, and you bring me joy. Oi, oi, grab a girl, grab a boy, to the left, to the right. We're coming down, we're coming inside. This is the sound of. Bring me love, and